Hey there, Leslie Sansone Williams here. Hope you're doing well. We're going to talk today about a couple areas of law that might be a fit for your personality and why. Okay, or your fit for your skill sets, your current skill sets, or things that you like to do. Okay, but before we get started, as of the recording of this video, we have 2 days left for you to enroll in the Paralegal Inner Circle class and or the Cover Letter Secrets class. You can do them separately or enroll in a bundle, special bundle price class special, and simply go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com, look under courses for the bundle price. You'll see the Cover Letter Secrets class by itself, and then go over to a separate tab. You'll see Paralegal Inner Circle class, but you can get both for a very special price under courses. Go check that out. This is all for beginners. So I have worked in the bankruptcy field on the consumer side, meaning the people filing bankruptcies, for many years. And it was something that a mentor of mine worked in, Victoria Ring, and Victoria has since passed on to glory. But I learned how to work bankruptcies through her, and so that became a field that I really liked a lot. And this is an area of law that if you really truly love numbers and like working with numbers, that's part of it. That's not the whole thing. But you'll be dealing with clients a lot, as you do in most areas of law. So think about that. And I'm looking at my book, Legal Break-In, which is, yes, on Amazon. But if you go to my website, paralegalcoffeetalk.com, and look under Legal Break-In book, you'll see a table of contents. So the other area of law, and I'm not going into depth here because the book goes into that, would be real estate law, which a lot of people on my Paralegal Coffee Talk page on Facebook want to go into. And it's usually family law, real estate law, criminal law, personal injury. Oh, and bankruptcy is never at the top of that list. So, but it's interesting that a lot of people look at real estate law. That's a relatively, what I call a calm area of law, calmer than litigation would be, but I love litigation. So, and that's preparing for trial. This is, if you have ever gone through your own house closing and you have those documents, take a look at those documents, because those are the documents, many of them, that you'll be generating when you do a closing.